Hey, what's up, you guys? So I really wanted to dive into the inside of the Z. It's still a turnkey drift car. Really wanted to hop into the button situation that's going on with the Z. I really wanted to correct the flip panel, and I really wanted to fix the door situation. I really had the doors just wired in there. It wasn't too bad, but I really didn't like it. I don't like that they're just like hanging in there. The second you open the flip panel, it's just chilling there. I really wanted to put it onto the center panel with the actual flip switch, instead of it just hanging right in the middle where it was before. It wasn't like quite hanging, it was like kind of mounted. I really didn't like it. It wasn't like too sturdy. That's rock solid, and it's going to be so much better, and I'm excited to actually try it. I'm really hyped to actually have those buttons mounted because your knees aren't going to hit them while you're driving. It's not even going to come close to that switch, but point being is it's in a nice accessible spot where you're not going to bump it. Moving on from that, I really wanted to hop under the trunk. A lot of the car is still red inside, where I don't like it. If I were to actually spray majority of the red to black, it would actually be covered up by most of the plastics that are inside the car anyways. So I figured it'd be a super good idea to spray the red, make it black, and actually hide it with the rest of the plastic, make the car look completely uniform inside, and just clean it up. I really wanted the switches cleaned up, the panels cleaned up, the trunk cleaned up, and I really wanted the buttons cleaned up as well. On to finishing up wiring up the doors. I think having the doors on buttons and the ignition on switch is actually really nice. That goes on next, and it'll be kind of sick. Sick. Hell yeah. I'm so glad that cleans up the inside so well with that actually tucked away. Honestly, I really want to see how well that taking it back was really sick. Everything's fun. God damn it, I miss this car so much. Thank you so much, Derek, for riding with me. Thank you so much, Jake, for helping out. I appreciate you, brother. Now it's time to paint the trunk. Damn it. So thankful that the ride was flawless, but I'm really excited to paint the trunk.
Not right here! Oh, fuck you, buddy. Stop the camera! Hold on. You gotta do that again. It's everywhere now! Too much!
So tomorrow's another day. We actually ran out of paint. Ironically, it's a full can, but it doesn't fucking work. Anyways, we actually missed the 2 spots right at the top. Tomorrow's another day. We'll get another can. I'm really not too worried about it. Black looks really, really nice, and it's covered by all the aesthetics on the rest of the car. It'll be covered by the plastic. It just looks nice. Switches that were inside should have been taken care of a while ago. I just really haven't had the time. But having everything secure now, not banging it with your knee, not worrying about it driving, everything's secure. The buttons for the doors as well was a big thing, but everything's taken care of, so I'm really happy that everything's all good. Really driving this car again, taking it on the road, trying to see what's wrong with it. Coming back with a full smile on my face, absolutely everything's golden. Tomorrow's another day, we can spray the rest of it. I'm just hyped that everything matches and everything looks cool again. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in.